lecture video series, I would like to deal about registration. Many of the packaging customers across India, across globe, they use the cutting table without the camera feature on. So I'm going to deal with RTOSCAD in the first part, how to put those registration marks, and in the second phase, I'm going to deal with how the machine is registering the print, how it is able to make sure that the cut matches the print. So the first part, I've got this file, it's a cosmetic file. Now it has got some cut lines, crease lines. So each of these cut lines, they have a boundary. Now what I am doing is, first, as the operator always does, is goes and assigns a bleed value. Yeah. So the bleed layer is created. As a next step, he's going to go and assign a geometry macro. Now this geometry macro automatically analyzes the cut lines and places 4 tiny registration marks on the corners, which will map to the cut-to-cut blade boundary, as you can see. Yeah. So they will be available as print registration layer. Now the converter will send this file and get these marks printed on the sheet. He will also export the files as keyline drawings, which will come to the table. Now let's move on to the table. I am now opening here the job, which is going to be the cutting keyline of this job. Onto the table, what do? Most importantly, for this purpose, we are having this steel rulers which help in aligning of the sheet exactly to the corner. So this helps the operator in placing the sheet straight. Yeah. Once it is aligned, you can notice that there is a small laser beam there. Yeah. That laser beam is the reference beam. Now in this case, what the operator would do is try to bring this laser to the exact corner of the registration mark. Let me also switch on the vacuum. Yeah, as you can see, he moves the laser exactly to the corner, and now over here in IPC, which is the guide software, is going to create a new guide point. So let me call it feature for registration. Yeah, and he updates this point. So now the system knows this point. So he opens the job. Yeah, by use of cutting keys, all the values come in. In here, in the position, you get this point, feature for registration. Once this is done, he gives OK. And you can see that the point and the corresponding point in the other corner is registered, and the machine begins cutting off it. So a couple of points I want to stress here. Now in this case, you could see it's a very tight registration requirement, because panel to panel, you could see that the registration is pretty much perfect. Yeah, you can see these two panels, they carry different artworks, yet you can see that the registration is perfect. So this is how the system registers. But here's the actual point which is very critical. Let's say I save this job, yeah. 2 months back, I get a repeat order of this job. I use the same sheets to print it. Yeah. So 2 months later, I get this job. All I have to do is just put the sheet back, align it to the register. Yep. And open the file. As you can see that it would still carry the position. It would remember the position along with the file, and you just give OK. So again, you come, look for those reference points, and then we will continue. So by the use of RTOSCAD, by the geometry macros, and by the use of the steam rules, and by the laser point, the system knows how to register the print to cut. Thanks.